This is Claudia McGilkey with Keller Williams, and I'd like to welcome you to 6277 Tributary. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, a little over 2,300 square feet for the new price of $215,000. We're offering a home warranty with the property and a flooring allowance. So let's go inside and check it out. Come through the front door. It's an all brick home. Got a large dining room. It's got the high vaulted ceilings. They're about 12 feet. Very open plan. And then this is the den area. And I'm going to take you, I know the detectors are going off, but let's go over here. This is a 4-bedroom. So we've got bedroom 1 over here, nice size, big closet. And then we're gonna go down the hall. Another bedroom. And then we have linen closet, another closet here. Can be used as a linen closet. Then we've got double sinks, bathroom. And then another closet here. And then a large back room on this side with big closet. All right, let's go. This is a split level, so your master's on the other side. So let's go ahead, go through here. And I'm gonna take you to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen area. Big bay window. Nice eating area. Pantry. Stove, dishwasher, double fridge. Newer stove. Laundry room back here. 2-car garage. Large laundry room, the little nook right here for shelving and all. Then on this side is the master suite. Large windows, master suite that goes into double sinks. It's got a toilet area and tub shower, huge closet, big walk-in, and then with a separate linen closet, very large. All right, let's go ahead and head on out this way. I'm gonna take you through the kitchen, out to the back porch area so you can see the kitchen.